Everyone, welcome back to Jindal's Learning Villa. Today I am Tamanna Jindal with part 3 of blood relation, in which we will learn about type 2 of blood relation, which is coded, in which we will given with some codes and just we have to follow it. For example, I have an example for you here. You can see P taller Q means P is mom of Q. P hash Q means P is father of Q. P at Q means Q is wife of P. And P percentage Q means P is daughter of Q. And we have to solve this equation, which is P at Q $M hash T, and find out the relation of P to T. Let's start doing it and making relations. P at Q will be, here Q will be wife of P. You can see above the relations in coded way. Q $M will be, Q is mom of M. You can match it above. And M hash T means M is father of T. The codes are not fixed. It is differing in all the questions. Now we have to make relation of P to T. You can see here P is in first generation and T is in third generation. What can be the relation? If P is male, grandfather. Yes, grandpa. The relation will be grandpa. Hope you get it. Let's solve one more example. Hope you get it this. You will also get the next one. Next example is F at D percentage K hash H is. Then how will solve it? Making relations. You can see F at D means D is wife of F. So let's make it D wife of F and F in a triangle because he is male. D percentage K means D is daughter of K. So K in the above generation. Then K hash H means K is father of H. So here we will make H as daughter or son of K. Now the relation is asked of F to H. So here F will be brother-in-law of H. Brother-in-law of H. Hope you get it how? क्योंकि अगर हम देखेंगे D के हस्बैंड का रिलेशन पूछा हुआ है D के बहन या भाई से, तो वो होगा जीजा जी. एंड इट इज सेड इन इंग्लिश brother-in-law. If it is asked K instead of H, so F will be son-in-law of K because बेटी के हस्बैंड को हम कहते हैं जमाई and in English it is said as son-in-law. Hope you get it. Let's solve one more coded question. Now you can see the next question. Pointing to woman, a man said, she is only daughter-in-law of the grandpa of my son. In these like question, first we put the person who is saying. Here man is saying, so we will write here man. And saying about whom? He is saying about woman, so we will write here woman. Now in these like question, we make some phrases relating to of. In this question, we will do like this. Here we will see of and make one phrase. And these questions are started from last. We start reading them from last. Here how many of are there in this question? There is 2. So we will make 2 phrases relating to of, means this is one and this is one. And another will be used in last. Now of my son, first I will put this phrase, son. Then of the grandpa, so I will write here grandpa. Then what is saying? She is the only daughter-in-law. Means this woman is the only daughter-in-law. So only daughter-in-law. Only daughter-in-law. So लड़के के बच्चे की grandfather की only daughter-in-law. First we will make relation from man to grandpa. लड़के के बच्चे के दादाजी man के क्या लगेंगे? पापा. He will be father of man. Grandpa will be father of man. Hope you get it. Now इनकी daughter-in-law हमारी, इनकी daughter-in-law क्या लगेंगी? इनकी बहू हिंदी में. And then बहू, इनकी बहू man की क्या लगेंगी? wife. So the relation of woman to man is wife. The one more way of solving it as follows. Now another way of doing it is by numbering. Of my son, I have given it second number, grandpa third, daughter-in-law 4, and to man 1. First we will put the person who is saying same as the previous way, 1 here, and he is man, so in a triangle. Then we will put the second phrase, that is my son, his son, that will be second. Then his grandpa, my son's grandpa, so means here in the first generation, that is 3. And then she is daughter-in-law. Whose daughter-in-law? Of grandpa. And daughter-in-law means Bahu. So Bahu will be the wife of his son. His son is 1. So same will be, here will be pair of 4 and 1. And 4 in a circle. So here also woman will be wife of 1. Means man. So here will be wife. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe this channel. Have a nice day.